Welcome to 30-Day Reviews. I am Justin, and today I'm going to tell you my thoughts on the Apothecary 87 beard oil that they sent me. Apothecary 87 sends all of their beard oils in a nicely packaged box. On the front, of course, you've got what is in the box, and flipping it around, you've got the instructions on how to use the product as well as the ingredients that are in it. Now once we go ahead and open this box, we are going to see that there is a little lid that you've got to lift up that kind of suspends the beard oil in the container. Now once you take the beard oil out, make sure that you look down in there and even pull out the little sleeve thing, because there should be a little wanted card in there for you to collect. This is not your standard 1 ounce bottle. This is actually a 1.69 bottle, so it's just over a half of an ounce larger than your typical beard oil. It is, of course, packaged in a typical brown glass container with your standard little eye drop lid. The 3 scents I was sent are Unscented, which is pretty self-explanatory, no scents added to it, so you just have the natural scent coming off of the oils. The next one is Vanilla and Mango. I smell much more mango off of it with a nice aftertone of vanilla. The last one is Original Recipe. This is the first one that they came out with, and it is sandalwood, rosewood, musk, and patchouli. It's a good scent. However, I think that you have a lot of really strong scents in there trying to fight to be the dominant one. But even with that, it is still a pretty nice scent. Now you use this like you do any other typical beard oil. You can either drop some of it into your hand and apply it like that and then make sure that it gets down to your skin, or you can do like I like to do now and use a beard brush. And I simply just fill the dropper and drop it right into the brush and brush it in. Now I was able to do this with 2 of the 3 beard oils. Unfortunately, the Unscented beard oil, the dropper has something wrong with it. It looks to me like the tip of it isn't quite open enough, so it can't really draw in much. But that wasn't really a big deal because I just applied this one with my hand. I was surprised when I looked at the ingredients list because they actually do have different ingredients in them, where a lot of companies would have the same base with a different fragrance added. However, there are a couple of ingredients that the 2 scented ones have in common, and that is grapeseed, jojoba, lanolin oils, and then of course their respective fragrance added. The main ingredients in the Unscented one are argan, jojoba, and sunflower oils. As you've seen when I was brushing the goatee, I do what I do with all my oils, making sure that I get the oil right down to the skin where it's going to do the most good. Now I do have a few more things that I want to tell you about this, but while I'm talking, go down there in the comment section and let me know what you think that these retail for. So my personal experience using these 3 beard oils over the last month and a half, if not a little bit longer, was a pretty good one. Now mind you, I was also using it on and off with the beard balm that I was also sent by Apothecary 87. However, I never used the 2 products on the same day. I definitely like the beard oils. They definitely have a nice smell, or very little smell in the case of the Unscented. However, I don't think that they were any better than any of the other higher end beard oils that I've reviewed in the past. That being said, I can't wait to see what your guesses were for the price of these. Now these definitely have a higher price tag on them at $35 to about $42 on Amazon or their website, depending on if you're going with the Unscented or a scented one. And I was kind of flabbergasted by that price, to be honest with you, because wow, that's pricey. But a couple of things that I took a look at was their packaging is fairly nice. You know, it's got artwork on the sides of it, and it does have that nice little insert to make sure that your beard oil gets to you nice and safe. But the main thing is that you get about 1 3/4 ounce because of the larger containers. That being said, do I think that it's worth the money in your wallet? Well, I think that they are a good product. I think that they have done a very good job on branding themselves. I think that they have done a very good job on the little touches. However, they are definitely a higher end beard oil, and not just because of the fancy boxes and stuff. They are a good product. Would I ever pay $42 for a beard oil? Probably not. Do I know guys that have paid more than $42 for a beard oil? I definitely have. So is it worth the money? Honestly, it really comes down to what you want to spend your money on. I hope that this review has helped you decide if you want to spend your money on some of Apothecary 87's beard oil. I would like to thank them again for sending this out to me to review for you guys. If you want to see some beard oil reviews that may be a little bit closer to your price range, make sure to check out the playlist to the right. Underneath that is a video that you'll probably like as well. Until next time, you have a good one.